Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla Hybrid wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct size replacement blades for your vehicle. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. It's a good idea to place a soft towel on the windshield to protect it in case the arm accidentally springs back down. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab or button firmly. While holding it, slide the old wiper blade downward along the arm to release it. Once detached, carefully remove the old blade, ensuring the wiper arm remains in its upright position. With the old blade off, it's time for the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook or clip on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade upward onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, which indicates it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a light tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto your windshield. Before hitting the road, activate your wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. Remember, replacing your wiper blades every 6 months helps maintain clear visibility. For more valuable tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.